Hey y'all, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our Kinder Beauty unboxing for December of 2022. I can't believe this is the last one for the year. I feel like this year just flew by so quickly, but I'm super excited to dive into this box. I am also going to be opening 2 mystery boxes that I got from their Black Friday sale. I was just gonna keep these to myself as my own little gift and secret, but I figured if you aren't familiar with Kinder Beauty, it would be a great way to see what some of the previous boxes are. So I'm super excited. We will go ahead and open the December box first and then dive into my mystery ones. If you aren't familiar with Kinder Beauty, they are an incredible clean beauty, skincare, hair care subscription. Every single product in here is vegan and cruelty-free and free from most of the harmful toxins that you don't want anywhere near your body. For just $23 a month, you get up to $165 worth of value. Super high quality products from brands that you may or may not have heard of before, so it's a great way to discover new clean beauty and add it into your life. Like I said, this is the December box, but depending on when you subscribe, you might be getting the January box. If you would like to, definitely go ahead and use my code 50LED and you will get 50% off your first box, which makes it such a good deal. Plus, if you subscribe to a 6-month or more subscription, you will get a free mystery box as well, worth over $100. So it's definitely the way to go. I absolutely love Kinder Beauty. They were nice enough, or kind enough, to send me the December box, but I do pay for the subscription by myself. And I did also pay for the mystery boxes. But let's go ahead and dive into this box. So you do get to customize this box. They usually have 2 options of the boxes that you can pick from. I'm not sure which one they sent me, so we're going to open and find out. Okay, so when you open the box, you do get a little card that tells you the box that you got, as well as all of the product and pricing information. This is the You Slay box, so that's pretty exciting. And then they did recently change their box packaging. So on the inside, it says, oh, hey, let's do something kind today. I absolutely love that. It says always clean, vegan, and cruelty free. And then it has their social media accounts up there too. I love when boxes just mix things up just a little bit. So this is very exciting to me. Okay, so in here we have the UV. And this is a little beauty blender that is 99% bacteria free. So that is pretty cool. I don't have a bacteria free sponge, so that's pretty exciting. And I use these every time I put on my makeup. So always good to have another one of these. Then we have a Nomad America's Park, and this is the Teton Range Intense Eyeshadow. This packaging is so cute. I don't know if you're gonna really be able to see on the camera, but it has Sequoia, Wyoming, Grand Canyon, Yosemite, Yellowstone, all the national parks on here. That's so cute. Let's go ahead and see what the actual eyeshadow looks like. There we go. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Okay, so it's just this little tiny eyeshadow, so small. I love these. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, so it's kind of like an actual mountain range on there. I'm really hopeful that you can kind of see this, but that is what it looks like. That is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this so we can see. Oh my goodness, that is shiny. Okay. Oh, that is really pretty. Okay. I like it. Okay, cool. That'll be fun to play with. Then I'm seeing a sheet mask, and this is the 100% pure anti-acne sheet mask with intensive blemish treatment and preventative treatment. That's pretty exciting. I always love a good sheet mask. And this one you leave on for 20 minutes. So that's always nice. Seeing something wrapped in bubble wrap here. This is the Flower Mill Bombshell Multitasking Beauty Balm. Oh, so this removes makeup, excess oil, and impurities left on your skin. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. I'm trying to put my finger on exactly what it is. but it smells delicious. Let me see if I can tell in here. It says there's coconut oil, mango butter, shea butter, jojoba, candelilla, rose hip. I think it might be the rose hip. Oh, it smells so delicious. Okay, well that's pretty exciting. I always love stuff like this. This is how I like taking my makeup off, so it's always good to try a new one, and I actually don't think I have a clean one, so that's pretty cool. And then the last thing in here, I did see on either their Facebook page or maybe their Instagram, there was supposed to be a scalp scrub, and they ended up not being super happy with the product, so they wanted to sub it for something that they were super excited about, and this is the Ather Beauty Big Bang Mascara. I've actually used this before. I have it on my eyes today, and I love this mascara, so I'm super excited to have another one. It is so pretty. The box is gorgeous. It has this super fun holographic label on there, and then the bottle itself is just white with the Big Bang. And then the actual wand is one of the big boys. This is definitely how I like my mascara wands to be. And there's no weird smell. Oh my goodness. So good. So good. This mascara is amazing. So I'm super excited to have that. So that is my box. Let's go ahead and go through the pricing here. So the first thing on here is the Flower Mill Bombshell. My Southern's coming out, and that is a $32 value. That's pretty good. It's a pretty solid size too. The antimicrobial blender is a $20 value. The Nomad eyeshadow is a $12 value, and the anti-acne sheet mask is a $7 value. Let me go ahead and do some math and see what that Ather Beauty mascara retails for, and I will get you the final total in just a minute. Okay, so the Ather Beauty Big Bang Mascara is a $28 value. So added together with all the other products in the box, this box is a $98.99 value. I love this one. I think this box has to be my new favorite. I really, really liked last month's, but I think this one has topped it. I am super, super excited to have another one of those mascaras. I'm excited about that cleansing balm, and I really, really like that eyeshadow. So I am super, super happy with this one. If you got this box, I would love to know your thoughts, and if you've used any of these products, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Let's go ahead and open those mystery boxes so you can get even more of an idea of what Kinder Beauty is all about. So like I said, on Black Friday, I went in and bought some of their mystery boxes, which were past boxes. So I have the May Balance box and the June Dusk box. So let's go ahead and see what was in these. I wasn't a subscriber of Kinder Beauty at the time, so I actually never got these boxes. So I'm super excited to finally have them. Let's go ahead and open May 1st. Like I said, this is the Balance box. Again, you get the card with everything on the front and some details and pricing on the back. The first thing I'm seeing in here is the J&L Naturals Cognac Sponge. Cognac? Somebody please tell me. And this is a cherry blossom scent. Maybe it's just a cherry blossom sponge. I'm not really sure how this works. So this is a $7.99 value. That's pretty cool. Helps to provide gentle exfoliation with brightening effects. So that's pretty exciting. Okay, cool. Then I'm seeing a All Good Rose Geranium hand sanitizer. You can never have too many of these. Love the spray hand sanitizer. Let's see how this smells. Just sprayed that all over the cap. Good job. Ooh, that's nice. Not too alcohol-y. Okay, don't get too close, but nice. That's pretty nice. I like the kind of more natural scent to it. That's good. And that is a $4 value. Then we have a Pure by Mud Masky. I love the Mud Masky brand. And this is the Saved by the Scrub for underarms. Interesting, I've never used an underarm scrub before. Reduces dark appearance, removes dead skin cells, odor fighting, deeply cleansing, and reduces pesky bumps. Okay, that's pretty exciting. Definitely not something that I would pick for myself, but I feel like I could probably use this. So I'm excited to try this out, and this is a $29 value. Then we have the Loba Mane Color Vibrante. I'm gonna go with Vibrante. Transformative Mask to color lock and intense repair with coconut, buriti, and Tukuma? I don't know. It's a hair mask though. And let's see what this smells like. Ooh, she's thick. Oh, that smells incredible. Okay. I actually have a hair appointment tomorrow, but I might use this today just because my hair is so dry. So, ooh, I'm excited about that. Okay. And this is a $12 value. Beautiful. And then the last thing in here is the Able Skincare 2-to-1 Glycolic Blue Light Exfoliating and Illuminating Duo Moisturizer. This is a $107 value. Okay. Well, I'll take that. I love a good moisturizer. Why can't I talk? Sorry. So this is a moisturizer that, protects from sunlight, but also the blue light from digital devices. This one is exfoliating, will keep your skin hydrated, exfoliated with AHA, and protected against blue light. Okay, well that's pretty exciting. So this box, let me do some math real quick. Okay, finally did all the math. It took me an embarrassingly long amount of time, but this is a $159.99 value box. So this one is pretty impressive. I'm really excited that I got this as a mystery box. I'm really excited to try these products. Okay, well that one was pretty good. Let's go ahead and open the June one. I'm not sure if you can still buy these boxes, but a lot of this stuff is on their marketplace, so I will leave links to each of these individual products there too, so you can go ahead and shop that too. Okay, so this is the June Dusk box. So the first thing I'm seeing in here is a Glamnetic set. So we have a set of the Glamnetic Venus eyelashes. These are really, really pretty. I'm actually not a huge fan of them. I just touch my eyes too much for the magnetic lashes to work on me, but one of my friends is a big fan, so these might be going to her. And then we also have the Glamnetic So Future Magnetic Liner Pen. Oh, this is in Cocoa Dreams. So this is actually in a brown color rather than black. That's pretty cool. I always wear brown eyeliner, so that's exciting. The eyelashes are $29.99 and the eyeliner is $42.99. So this alone, that's pretty good. Okay, then we have the Vor, V-O-R, but then on the paper it says V-O-I-R, who knows? And this is the Sunset Rituals Signature Conditioner. That's pretty cool. I do wish that they had given the shampoo too. Okay, so I'm actually not sure what the smell is in here. It doesn't say, but it says you leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Okay, great. Love trying new conditioners. Then we have two things in some bubble wrap. So, we have a 103 collection silicone-free heat protectant serum. This bottle is so pretty. I can always use more heat protectant. Ooh, that smells really nice. I don't know what that scent is either. The conditioner is a $15 value, and the vegan heat protectant serum is a $19.99 value. Okay, that's pretty exciting. Love that. And then the last thing in the bubble wrap is the, I've actually been wanting to try this. This is the Dirty Lamb Apricot Cleansing Oil, vegan, day and night, natural, unisex. Okay, look how big this bottle is. It's so pretty too. Okay, another thing that's really good for taking off makeup or, dirt throughout the day. And this is a $42 value. Damn. Okay, let's go ahead and add up all of the totals here. Okay. So the total for this box is $149.99. So these mystery boxes were definitely worth it for me, but I feel like it just goes to show the incredible value that Kinder Beauty packs into every single box. I'm so excited to try all of these things out. If you've used anything that I shared in this video, definitely let me know what your experience was down below. If you want to go ahead and try Kinder Beauty yourself, definitely go ahead and use the link and code down below. It's 50LED to get 50% off your first box. And if you sign up for a 6-month subscription, like I said earlier, you will get a mystery box as well. Thank you so much to Kinder Beauty for sending me the December box. It was so good. And thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me on the ride. I really do appreciate you being here, and I would love for you to stick around and subscribe and join the community. If you do, I will see you in my next video. And in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye.